JP Morgan Chase thought it had $1.3 million worth of nickel stored in a warehouse. A closer examination revealed bags of stones. Whoa. They got duped.
Yeah.
The bait and switch.
No one decided to open them and just check? Are they nickels or stones?
Turns out that JP Morgan's bags of nickel are actually bags of stone. JP Morgan Chase kept bags of stones in a warehouse thinking they were nickel. Imagine they're paying to store stones in an expensive warehouse. The London Metal Exchange revealed Friday that the bags contained stones instead of nickel. The owner of the bags at JP Morgan Chase, an operator for the warehouse, weighed bags that were thought to contain 54 metric tons of nickel, only to find that they were filled with stones. Unlucky owner of those bags, JP Morgan Chase. Had they contained nickel, the bags would have been worth $1.3 million and represent 0.14% of the actual nickel inventories. What are the stones worth? Well, they don't say. Probably not $1.3 million. In an industry riddled with scandals, the LME's contracts are viewed as unquestionably safe. The LME first announced the mix-up last Friday, but didn't disclose the owner of the bags. Now it brings into question, Will, whose metals are real? They just say, oh, we got all these gold reserves, nickel reserves, copper reserves. It's like, are you sure you don't have bags of stone?
Yeah.
Who's going to check them? Who's watching the Watchmen, Will?
Yeah.
I don't know.
But wouldn't you, if you're weighing them, wouldn't you hear it in like those bags if it's nickel compared to stones?
I don't know. I think the nickel is actually in briquettes that are small, and it probably has. They probably. I doubt that these pictures of the actual stone, or
I don't
just
think
a
so.
general picture of stone. Because
Well, this is from Getty Images.
I would assume that if you were going to do a $1.3 million scam, you would make sure that it's something close, relatively close.
Yeah. Very strange.